Hi there, I'm gonna show in this video tutorial how to flash Nokia 2660 Flip 4G. We can use this feature to repair the phone or change the languages, as we are going to do in this video tutorial. So as usual, we have here one sample. Let's check the available languages inside. So as you see, we have English and Simplified Chinese and Hong Kong Chinese. So I'm going to flash this phone with a firmware from the support having Arabic language. So for this I'm going to use FURIOUSGOLD box and the SPD service tool latest version. So let's choose our model from here. At operations, I'm going to select write firmware, and here I'm going to choose the Arabic firmware, which you downloaded from the support area. Everything is okay, the file gets loaded. Now let's power off the device. And on the software I'm going to press connect. As you can see, here the software shows us how to connect the phone, so you need to connect it powered off with the star key pressed. So this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to keep pressed the star key and insert the USB cable. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the flashing process starts. So that's it, the flash process ended. Now let's check the mobile. So as you can see here, the configuration, we have the new languages written. So everything went okay. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.